tulungan ninyo ako, 2 buwan na sweldo ko, ibibigay ko sa makakapagturo kung paano nakatakas si Alice Go with the help of our immigration officers. Ang Deputy BSI. Tama?
Mr. Chair, may I clarify, please?
Yes, please.
Mr. Chair, please. Good evening. Good morning. The resolution of the case was prepared by Attorney Kalingasan of the BSI, and then it was reviewed by Attorney Kasibang, and I approved the recommendation to approve, and then we submitted the approved recommendation for the approval of the Board of Commissioners.
Ang tanong ko sa iyo, Attorney Ledesma, all of these 332 foreigners, do they have AEP, Alien Employment Permit?
Mr. Chair, please, according to the records, they were charged under Section 37A7 because they were not properly documented and they did not have valid working visas and permits.
Yes, correct. But the case against the 249 Chinese nationals were all dismissed. In other words, hindi sila na-deport.
That is correct, Mr.
At
Chair.
andito sila sa Pilipinas, gumagala pa rin sila. Correct?
I do not know if they're still here in the
Yes.
Philippines, Mr. Chair.
Andito sila.
It's been 3 years.
Now, ang tanong ko sa iyo, the process of getting a 9G visa is to have the AEP, correct?
Mr. Chair, please, the process of issuing
No,
9G...
no. Answer me. Ang sinasabi ko, the process of getting a 9G visa is to secure an AEP coming from the Department of Labor and
Yes,
Employment.
Mr. Chair.
Correct?
Yes,
Tama.
Mr. Chair. That is
Okay.
the primary
Ang tanong ko sa iyo,
requirement.
Attorney Ledesma, yung 249 na pinakawalan ninyo, meron ba silang AEP na galing sa DOLE?
According to the records... and
According to the records
according
o
to the
according to the
report,
DOLE? Did you have a due diligence sa DOLE about the AEP prior to your issuance of 9G visa to those 249 Chinese nationals? Do you have?
we did not check
You did
the
not
AEP,
get a due
Mr.
diligence
Chair.
from DOLE? DOLE. Please, DOLE. Asan ang DOLE? We invited DOLE. Can you kindly tell us kung yung sa Banban, Tarlac that was apprehended by NBI and Bureau of Immigration have AEP? How many AEPs did you release for Hongshen? Hongshen.
Good evening, Mr. Chair. I'm Pago Magtoto from Dole Region 3. So, per our Alien Employment Permit monitoring system, sir, both old and new, for year 2021, we have issued 19 AEPs or Alien Employment Permits. And for the year 2022, Your Honors, Mr. Chair, we issued 34.
Wait, 2021, you issued how many AEPs?
19, Mr. Chair.
19. Oh, Sir, Attorney Ledesma, they issued 19 AEPs, a requirement prior to the issuance of 9G visa. Para sa kaalaman ng ating mga kababayan, this 9G visa, kapag sinecure mo, mabibigyan mo ng 3 taon dito magtatrabaho yung mga Chinese national na yan. Kaya ayaw nila ng SWP o yung tinatawag nating working permit. Dahil yon 6 months lang yon. And AEP is one of the requirement of the 9G visa para makapagtrabaho dito yung mga Chinese na yan. And, of course, dapat, kung magtatrabaho sila dito, priority natin ang mga Pilipino. Pero hindi pinaprioritize. Saan ang galing, Attorney Ledesma? Kung 19 lamang ang nakuwang nabigay nilang AEP doon sa Hongshen, yung nahuli doon na 332, pinakawalan nyo yung 249, okay? Saan ang galing ang AEP nila?
They were charged, Mr. Chair, with working without visas and permits.
Oo nga eh. Pero bakit nyo nga dinismiss eh? Tapos pinakawalan nyo yung 249 eh.
It's a matter of the rules of evidence, Mr. Chair. That's why they were released.
Wala na nga silang AEP. Di ba? Sinasabi na ng DOLE, 19 lang ang AEP. Yung 249 na dinismiss nyo, pinakawalan nyo. Wala silang AEP. In other words, kung wala silang AEP, hindi nyo sila pwede bigyan ng 9G visa. Correct? Yes or no?
We do not issue 9Gs, Mr. Chair, the BSI.
So anong in-issue nyo sa kanila?
The 9G visas are issued by the Board of Commissioners through the legal division.
Of course.
Not the BSI.
At dumadaan yan sa Board of Inquiries, of Special Inquiry. Don't fool me. Dumadaan sa Board of Inquiries
No.
yan. Dumadaan sa
AEPs,
inyo. Yes.
Alien employment permits, Mr. Chair, during my time there at the Bureau of Immigration, we do not process 9Gs.
Hindi nyo pinaprocess ang 9Gs because ang nag-a-approve
don't.
nun, commissioner.
The 9G visa applications are processed by the legal division.
Legal division.
Yes.
And then, saan sa dadating? Dadaling siya sa... Bago siya dumating sa... Sino pumipirma sa kanila? Mga commissioners, correct?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
And you are one of the commissioner.
Mr. Chair,
You were one of the commissioner during that time, correct?
I was the executive chairman of the Board of Special Inquiry.
Of course, but you are also the commissioner. Tama? Yes or no? Commissioner ka din eh. Assign ka lang sa Board of Inquiry eh. Tama? Ikaw ay isa sa commissioner during that time, and then you were assigned as the head of executive director of the Board of Special Inquiry. Di ba? Are you a commissioner during that time? Yes or no?
What date, Mr. Chair?
I'm asking. You know very well kung kailan ka naging commissioner. Ba't ako tatanungin mo?
I was never commissioner, Mr. Chair.
Ano ka doon?
Officer in charge.
Officer in charge. You were not a former commissioner of the BOI?
Never.
Ayan o. Are you Rolando de Ledesma?
Never a commissioner.
Mr. Chairman, I will show you. Ayan ang pangalan niya. Ronaldo Ledesma, officer in charge, commissioner. Hindi ka ba?
I'm not.
Wait.
I was officer
Wait.
in charge, not commissioner,
Okay, Mr. Chairman. You are OIC.
Yes, Mr.
Yung
Chair.
function mo is still
I
commissioner.
was OIC.
But your function is still commissioner. OIC ka.
In 2010. Okay.
Alam mo, Attorney Ledesma, please, you were an OIC.
I was an OIC, Mr.
O
Chair.
yan.
2010.
OIC commissioner.
OIC lang ho nakalagay sa akin. Hindi
Tama.
commissioner.
How many Chinese people have you recognized during your incumbency?
Mr. Chair,
I don't remember, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair,
Congressman Acop, with the indulgence of Congressman Fernandez.
ano bang diferensya ng OIC at saka OIC Commissioner? Mr. Ledesma, you answer the questions
Yes,
properly.
Yes, Mr. Chair. The commissioner
And
can
you
act-
wait for the acknowledgement of the chairman before you answer.
I'm
That's
sorry,
the
Mr.
rule.
I'm sorry, Mr. Chair.
Okay, proceed.
The
Okay.
Tanong
ko. Are you asking something?
No. Let him reply first. Sige, what is your response?
An officer in charge has limited powers, Mr. Chair. He cannot perform acts concerning policies. He operates only on the basis of running the daily affairs of the office. But the commissioner can implement policies, serious policies and guidelines. At ang OIC, Mr. Chair, he often takes directions from the Secretary of Justice, while a commissioner can exercise his discretion on
Okay.
important matters.
Sige.
What are the instances when there is a need to appoint an OIC?
Often when, may I answer, Mr. Chair?
Yes, please.
Often when there is a vacancy and the vacancy for a commissioner or a deputy commissioner is vacated,
Now, if there is a vacancy and an OIC is appointed, and there is a need to change a policy of the immigration, can you not perform the duty of a regular commissioner?
we have to seek the permission of the secretary, Mr. Chair. In fact, the orders, instructions have to be countersigned by the secretary.
I agree, because everything that the commissioners, how many commissioners there are in the Bureau?
There is one commissioner and there are two deputy commissioners.
Two deputy commissioners.
Right now, there are three deputy commissioners, Mr. Chair.
So in the event that a policy must be changed, who proposes changes in the policy? Is it the DOJ, the SOJ, or it should come from the commissioners or the members of the commission?
It can be a proposal submitted by the board. It can be a proposal submitted by the commissioner, Mr. Chair.
So in other words, pwedeng manggaling sa inyo. Pwede manggaling sa inyo. Sabi
Yes,
mo,
Mr.
pwede
Chair.
sa SOJ, pwede sa inyo eh. Di ba?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Oh, ang tanong kasi sa iyo kanina ni Congressman Dan Fernandez, were you ever appointed as a commissioner? Sabi mo no, OIC lang.
Ang
You're
Yes.
you're trying to give us an answer that you probably feel that cannot pinpoint to you directly being or effectively performing the function of a commissioner. Yun din yun eh. Di ba? Yun din yun eh, di ba? Practically all the functions of a commissioner can be done by an OIC except on matters where policy will be proposed, correct?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Di 99%, ganun din yun. Dahil
Yes,
pang sinagot, tinatanong ka lang niya kanina kung nag-commissioner ka eh.
Kasi nagpapalusot lang Mr. Chairman sila Alam mo, ito yung bagong alam mo, nakakalungkot, yung pastillas gang na sinasabi nila. Napalitan niya ng pipino gang. Pipino. Mga peking Pilipino na pinalulusot nila. Yung mga peking AEP. Na wala naman silang in-issue na AEP Ang Dolly 19 lang Tapos, meron doon, may AEP, nakalusot, dinismiss nila yung kaso, pinakawalan nila 249 ng mga Chinese na ngayon kasalumuhan natin, yung mga foreigners na yon. As a matter of fact, Mr. Chairman, I will show you something. Dahil ito sa ginagawa nila, yung recognizing yung ating pong mga Chinese, mga national, ayan, marami silang mga taga-ombudsman, sa ombudsman, sa mga Bureau of Immigration, na mga empleyado nila na sukang-suka na sa nangyayari sa loob. Meron tinatawag silang Gucci gang sa loob. Meron silang tinatawag na pastillas gang at ang pinakamalaki ay ang Filipino gang. Pipino gang. Dahil mga peking Pilipino. Mr. Chairman, pakita niyo yung yung nirecognize nilang mga, saan ka naman nakakita, Mr. Chairman? 60 years old. 60 years old. Ha? I-recognize mo. Late registration, 60 years old, 50 years old, 49 years old. Recognize. At ang sinasabi, Chinese father or mother, or ang mother ay Chinese, tapos Pilipina ang mother o kaya father. And then, kukuha ng birth certificate na late registration, makikita nyo yan. Yung mga nandyan, 60, 50, 49. Yung mga Chinese na yan, Mr. Chairman, 18 years old pa lamang, pwede na lang piliin kung ano sila, Pilipino o Chinese. During that time of being an 18-year-old, doon ka mamili kung sino ka, kung Pilipino ka o Chinese. Pero 60 years old, 49, ganito kakapal ang inaprubahan nyo. Isa pa lamang ang nakukuha ko. Saying that all these Chinese became Filipino. Kaya dumadami ang mga Chinese sa atin because of you.
Mr. Chair, gusto ko lang pong tanungin si Atty. Ledesma, bakit naging OIC ka dahil walang commissioner?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
O ibig sabihin, ikaw ang commissioner. Walang commissioner, ikaw ang OIC. Ibig sabihin, ikaw ang commissioner. Mr. Chair, I would like to declare that I'm going to file a resolution investigating the Bureau of Customs. The Bureau of Immigration.
And Mr. Chairman, I'll be allotting, Mr. Chairman, I'll be allotting my 2-month salary here in Congress sa mga matitino nating mga kababayan na nandiyan sa Bureau of Immigration na makakapagturo kung paano nakataka si Alice Go using our airports or seaports. Yung 2 buwang sweldo ko, ibibigay ko sa inyo.
Dagdag mo
Help
sa akin.
us. Help us. This
Ayun mo
Quadcom
bibigay.
is serious in cleaning our government. Join us, Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Chair, kayo na mo bibigay.
Hindi, sa makakapagturo kung paano nakataas. I'm pretty sure, Mr. Chairman, because I have checked the CAAP. Ang CAAP, meron silang mga biyahe papunta ng Kota Kinabalu, papunta ng Singapore, na galing sa Clark, galing sa Subic, galing sa Palawan, walang passenger. And they know the ports. They know the seaports. They handle the division of checking those flights going out and going in. Maluluwag ang mga seaports natin. Maluluwag ang mga airports natin. And our people, hindi lahat sa immigration, thank you to all those immigration officers and employees who are faithful to their duty. But, to those who are bad eggs, sorry, pero magkalaban tayo. Linisin natin ang gobyerno, tulungan ninyo ako, 2 buwan na sweldo ko, ibibigay ko sa makakapagturo kung paano nakataka si Alice Go with the help of our immigration officers.